Understanding eat crow, a dive into idiomatic expressions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the interesting English idiom, eat crow. If you've ever come across this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it effectively in conversations. The phrase, eat crow, doesn't literally involve eating a bird. It's an idiom that means to admit you were wrong about something, often after taking a strong position. It usually involves a degree of humiliation or embarrassment because you have to acknowledge your mistake, especially after being so sure of yourself. The origins of eat crow are somewhat murky, but it's generally believed to have originated in the United States in the 19th century. One popular story involves a hunting incident where someone was tricked into eating a crow. This phrase has since become a metaphor for the unpleasant experience of admitting you're wrong. Let's look at how to incorporate eat crow into your everyday language. 1. After arguing, I had to eat crow when I realized my prediction about the election was completely off. 2. In work situations, our manager had to eat crow after underestimating the project's complexity. 3. In personal relationships, I thought I was right about the movie's ending, but I had to eat crow when we watched it again. Remember, it's used when someone is admitting they were wrong, especially after being quite certain or vocal about their opinion. In English, idioms often have variations. For eat crow, you might hear swallow one's pride, similar in meaning, but less emphasis on being wrong. Have egg on one's face. This means to be embarrassed, often because you were wrong. Understanding these variations can enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. That's a wrap on eat crow. We hope this video has made you more comfortable with this idiom and excited to use it in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with fascinating discoveries. Until our next linguistic adventure, keep practicing and exploring the wonderful world of English idioms.